Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing pumpkin porridge. Here I have a piece of pumpkin already cleaned up and washed, 2 fingers of green banana and a carrot, and here I have some coconut milk. Stay tuned and watch the process how I done my pumpkin porridge. I'm gonna start cutting up my banana. Putting it in the blender, cutting up my pumpkin, then add it into the blender, cutting up my carrot, adding it into the blender, and now I'm gonna add some coconut milk, in some oats. Now I'm gonna blend. Now it's finished blend now, but it's a bit thick, so I'm gonna add some more coconut milk and blend. Here it's finished blend. Now I have a pot on the stove with some water already boiling up. Now I'm gonna add my mixture to it and stir at the same time. Then I'm just gonna leave it to boil. Now you can see that it started boiling up. Now I'm gonna give it a stir. See? Not too thick and not too water. And now I'm gonna add some vanilla, some grated nutmeg, some mixed spice, a little bit of salt, then I'm gonna stir it up. And now I'm gonna add my Betty condensed milk to sweeten. And my pumpkin porridge, not too thick, not too watery. Now I'm gonna leave it for about 3 to 5 more minutes. Then my porridge is ready. And there, my pumpkin porridge is finished now. Now I'm gonna plate it and show you. Here's my pumpkin porridge finally finished. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching.